Ever wondered how to keep track of all the tasks involved in maintaining a lush green landscape? Or perhaps how to manage the myriad of resources required for such a task? Well, the solution might be simpler than you think, and it's all in the power of technology. Enter the world of Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. This technology integrates data, software, and hardware to capture, analyze, manage, and present all types of geographical data. But how does this help with landscaping maintenance and asset management, you ask? Let's delve into that. Landscaping maintenance always starts with knowing what needs attention. This seems straightforward, but when you dive deep into the beauty of nature and the vast ecosystems contained in a landscape, things become complex. Maintaining landscapes isn't just pruning branches or watering plants. It's a meticulous job demanding an understanding of the earth and its intricate biodiversity. Every single element, from towering trees to delicate shrubs, plays a crucial role in the balance of a landscape. The real charm of a landscape is in its diversity and equilibrium. Majestic trees, vibrant flowers, sprawling grass beds, all have their respective roles and their individual spaces to flourish. Maintaining such a landscape needs not just an overview, but a detailed understanding of the terrain. Geographical Information System (GIS) takes this understanding to a new level. GIS is a platform that simplifies our interaction with landscapes, storing, manipulating, analyzing, managing, and presenting all types of geographical data. It allows us to draft an interactive map of the entire landscape, revolutionizing our perception and interaction with nature. Visualize a map detailing every element of the landscape, not as a static image, but an interactive guide providing an intricate understanding of the ecosystem. This map would include everything from the tallest tree to the smallest shrub, from the widest grassland to the narrowest pathway, from charming benches to winding pathways, attractive water features, lighting fixtures. Each item is represented with a unique icon, making it easy to identify and locate. This doesn't just show physical aspects, but also underlying factors impacting growth and development. GIS lets us visualize landscapes in previously unthinkable ways. We can focus on the tiniest detail, comprehend the relationship between different elements, analyze temporal patterns, and predict future growth. This easy identification of areas needing attention could range from a towering tree needing pruning, a bench in need of repair, or a pathway needing cleaning. Each element has its own tale to tell, its own needs to fulfill. In landscape maintenance, GIS is a game changer, revolutionizing our understanding, interaction, and preservation of nature. It's about preserving the balance, the harmony, the beauty of the landscape. Whether it's a tree needing pruning, a grass patch needing mowing, a bench needing repair, or a pathway needing cleaning, the first step is always identifying what needs attention. GIS has made this initial challenge way more manageable. Moving forward, let's dive deeper into the world of asset management, an essential cornerstone of the landscaping profession. In this profession, a broad spectrum of tools and materials are required to function effectively and efficiently. These assets are incredibly diverse, and from large machinery, smaller tools, to consumable items. Large machinery in landscaping includes items like lawnmowers, trimmers, and heavy-duty vehicles. These are essential for larger tasks, such as cutting grass, trimming hedges, and transporting supplies across large areas. Then we have smaller tools like shovels, rakes, and pruners, which are vital for more intricate tasks, like digging holes, raking leaves, or pruning shrubs. And let's not forget the sprinkler systems that ensure the grass and plants get the water they need. In the consumable category, we have fertilizers, seeds, mulches, and various chemicals. These are used to aid in the growth and maintenance of the landscape. Enrich the soil, seeds give life to new plants, mulches protect the soil, and chemicals help in pest control. However, these assets, regardless of their size or character, all have one trait in common. They are all prone to being misplaced, misused, forgotten, or even lost. This is a prevalent issue in many industries, including landscaping. Managing these assets can present a significant challenge, especially in large-scale landscaping projects involving multiple teams and vast land expanses. This is where Geographical Information Systems, or GIS, step in. GIS is a state-of-the-art technology that excels in capturing, storing, manipulating, and managing all types of geographical data. In the context of landscaping, GIS can play a pivotal role in tracking these various assets. With GIS's advanced mapping and tracking features, landscaping professionals can always know where their assets are. They can trace the movement of their lawnmowers, monitor the usage of their shovels, and even track the consumption of their fertilizers. Even the sprinkler systems can be monitored to ensure they are operating efficiently and effectively. This precise tracking guarantees maximum potential utilization of assets, avoiding overuse or underuse. Moreover, GIS is more than just a tracking tool. It also acts as a valuable asset management platform. It streamlines efficient allocation and redistribution of assets, assists in scheduling maintenance, and even predicts potential losses. This meticulous management not only preserves these assets but also contributes to the overall efficiency and productivity of the landscaping process, minimizing downtime and streamlining operations. The incorporation of GIS in asset management can indeed yield significant cost and time savings. There will be no unnecessary expenditure on replacing misplaced assets or purchasing additional ones due to mismanagement. By maintaining the balance between asset demand and supply and ensuring optimal resource utilization, time is saved and costs are reduced, eliminating the need to replace lost assets or purchase more than necessary. Along with its utility in planning and forecasting, GIS also holds significant sway in asset management. This evolving technology, at its essence, is an impactful instrument that facilitates the aggregation and examination of data. The processed information provides a detailed understanding of various elements impacting landscape. Imagine the power of a single tool that helps discern the nature of your soil, the well-being of your plants, and even the weather patterns that may influence them. GIS technology empowers you to forecast with a high degree of precision when a certain plant will require watering. It isn't merely about conjecture or approximation, it's about taking data-driven actions. Visualize this. On a sweltering sunny day armed with GIS technology, you can accurately determine which of your plants need water and when. There are no more assumptions, no more stress. Moreover, GIS plays a crucial role in managing and tracking assets such as lawnmowers, fertilizers, and other landscaping tools. This technology allows you to efficiently schedule maintenance and replacement of these assets, which ultimately reduces costs and enhances operational efficiency. GIS can also alert you when a specific tool is on the verge of needing replacement. This proactive manner of dealing with tools replaces the usual reactive response, which often sparks problems and setbacks in landscaping. There's more to GIS than meets the eye. It not only allows you to predict future trends, but also aids you in planning and formulating better strategies for your landscaping needs. It is a tool that offers a complete view, uncovering opportunities to maximize your efforts, thus making your landscaping operation more streamlined. Embracing this proactive approach can avert issues before they transpire, culminating in a more effective and efficient landscaping operation. Now, to summarize the key points discussed, GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, is a technology that integrates data, software, and hardware to manage all types of geographical data. In the realm of landscaping maintenance, it provides an interactive map of the entire landscape, allowing for easy identification of areas that need attention. In terms of asset management, GIS tracks all assets, ensuring efficient use and preventing loss. Moreover, it aids in planning and forecasting, enabling a proactive approach to maintenance and management. So, with the help of GIS, not only can we maintain beautiful landscapes, but we can do so efficiently and effectively. It's a win-win situation, wouldn't you agree? Let's now dive into some real-world applications of GIS in landscaping maintenance. Across the globe, various organizations have embraced this technology to enhance their operations. A shining example can be found in the beautiful and intricate landscapes of Qatar. In Qatar, GIS has been extensively used to create comprehensive landscaping maps. These maps provide a detailed view of the entire landscaped area, including parks, public spaces, and private estates. Now, what do we mean by landscaping maintenance assets? They include everything from the individual plants and trees to the man-made features like benches, pathways, and decorative structures. Each of these elements is considered an asset as they contribute to the overall aesthetic and functional value of the landscape. Each of these assets, be it a tree, flower bed, bench, or any other feature, is accurately represented on the GIS maps. This level of detail allows for precise and efficient maintenance. A tree needing pruning, a bench requiring repair, or a flower bed needing attention can be easily identified and addressed thanks to the GIS maps. As for managing these assets using GIS, it is quite an effective tool. GIS allows you not just to locate each asset, but also to log and track its condition and maintenance needs. It provides a centralized system wherein the status of every asset can be monitored and updated regularly. This not only saves time and resources, but also prolongs the life of the assets, as maintenance needs can be addressed promptly. Moreover, these landscaping also serve as an effective tool for asset management. Each asset is logged and tracked, preventing loss and ensuring efficient use. This not only saves time and resources, but also prolongs the life of the assets. As you can see, GIS is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical tool that's already being used in the field. The landscapes of Qatar are a testament to the utility and effectiveness of GIS in landscaping maintenance. So, if you're still wondering about the practicality of GIS, look no further than the stunning landscapes of Qatar, maintained with the help of this amazing technology.